Foodbeast challenged me to use pancake batter, so I made one big ass pancake. Look at that thickness, just look at it. Start off with an Instant Pot, hit that saute button. Let it get hot, then rub the inside with some butter. Listen to that sizzle. Be sure to show some love for the sides too. Hit that cancel button so it cools a little. Mix 2 cups of Krusty's buttermilk pancake mix and just add water. Whisk it until it gets a little smooth, then pour that batter into the pot. Get every last drip. Put that lid on, hit that multigrain button, and make sure it's on low pressure for 30 minutes. Go ahead and have a dance party. Have a drink, work on that puzzle, talk to your pet fish.
I just feel like I'm stuck inside of a bowl lately.
That pancake should be done by now. Let the steam out and then flip the pot over on a plate. Look at that fluffy pancake. Add your toppings. I went traditional with butter, syrup, and powdered sugar. There you go. Thick, fluffy pancake in an Instant Pot.
For Pancake Mix Week, I'm making pancake battered fish and chips. Start off with your pancake batter mix. You're going to do 1 bowl of just seasoned pancake mix. The other one, drop in some spices, salt, pepper, some thyme, garlic powder, some dried lemon peel, onion powder. Add in some ice cold water and whisk that all together to form your batter. And then I'm going to move on to my potatoes. These are baby purple potatoes. They are vibrant inside, looking like Mace Windu's lightsaber. Drop them into some cold water. Always start your potatoes from cold. Boil 6 minutes. Drain them, put them into some butter with some lemon and some thyme. Toss that all together, let the potatoes get nice and crispy. Now let's move on to the fish. I went for cod, pat them dry, and then dunk them in the flour, let it get all nice and coated. Put them into pancake batter next. You want to make sure that that is all coated well and drop that into the deep fryer. Let that deep fry for 4 minutes, drain it. Serve it with the potatoes and some tartar sauce for that nice hit of acidity. Pancake battered fish and chips.
Okay, so Foodbeast challenged me to make something with pancake mix, but I was really craving an omelet, so I'm going to show you guys how I make these super duper fluffy omelets using pancake mix. You're going to need 2 huevos, some pancake mix, whatever you have in your pantry, butter, and then whatever fillings you want. In a bowl, you're going to add the 2 eggs, a tablespoon of the pancake mix, some salt and pepper for seasoning, and a tablespoon of milk. Mix until it's all well combined. Also, just ignore my face. I overslept and I woke up at 5 p.m. This might take a few minutes, so just stare off into the distance and disassociate for a little bit and think about the ongoing pandemic that's happening and how everything is out of your control and how you keep telling yourself that everything's fine, but nothing is fine. Anyways, back to cooking. So this is what your mixture should look like. Get a pan and turn on your stove to a medium-low heat. Then add a tablespoon of butter and wait for that to melt. Once that's melted, go ahead and add in your mixture. Once the top starts to bubble a bit, that's when you can flip over your omelet. To be honest, this was really hard to do with one hand. And bam! Add your fillings. I'm using Oaxacan cheese, some shredded pepper jack cheese, and then I realized I wasn't eating enough vegetables, so I added some diced tomatoes and jalapenos. You can start to flip over the sides to make it into that omelet shape. And there you go. You can go ahead and plate it, add whatever toppings you want. I tried to be fancy and I added some slices of avocado and crushed red pepper flakes, and voila! Look at that bitch. She's beautiful, she's thick, she's super fluffy. Anyways, that's how you make these super duper fluffy omelets. Enjoy!
We're making some cinnamon sugar roll-ups. Start off with 2 cups of Krusty's buttermilk pancake mix and add some cold water. Go on and whisk it till you get that thick sauce. Make sure it's a little lumpy. Scoop up some of that batter on that griddle and make some baby pancakes. Flip them over once. Make sure they're golden brown. Now you got a plate full of pancakes. Mix in that cinnamon with some sugar to create that magic dust. Brush each side of the flapjacks with butter and sprinkle that dust on both sides. Fold that pancake in half 2 times and snuggle them into that cupcake tin. Bake them for about 15 minutes and they'll come out real nice and crispy. Boom! Cinnamon sugar roll-ups.
So I got challenged to make something with pancake mix, and I was craving something fried, so I made some funnel cake. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of pancake mix, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then you're just gonna add water and whisk until it's smooth and creamy. You're gonna put that in a bag, chop the top off, you're gonna let it fall all in, flip it, take it out, then you can add whatever you want. I went with your typical like fare toppings, so we got powdered sugar, whipped cream, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a little more powdered sugar, then boom, look at that guy. Just shining. Crispy, fluffy, chewy. I mean, seriously, look at that guy. So that's how you make funnel cakes with some pancake mix. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe out there.